Hey, what is up, intelligent people? I'm Mr. Sicko, and as you can see right here, we're going to be doing another case study, or just a like trade recap. Okay, beautiful 1 to 6 RR. I'm going to talk about like what did I manage to see right here and all that, and let's get straight into it. Okay, first of all, let's go to the daily time frame just to kind of show you like where we were. We were into this. Okay, this here was the trade basically, but we were overall like we just managed to have them. We just mitigated this beautiful daily okay zone. If you go to the 4 hour time frame, this is how it looks like. Okay, still that zone on the daily time frame. Here we're just kind of consolidating and all that. 1 hour time frame. Okay, I'm just gonna go to like have the replay tool. Here I did manage to mark up a lot of liquidity on this side, and also I was expecting some mitigations right here, but after I just saw how beautiful this went. Also, I just split my risk. If I had like a stop loss hit right here, I would have gone with 50% from there on to just move it back up. Okay, that said, let's just go even lower. Okay, just like here. So from here on, as you can see, we like push straight back down. I was kind of scared. Like, if you don't like what this is, okay, from where did you see this zone? It is 1 and 5 minutes PY, not A60 5 minute PY. As you can see, beautiful. Sell candle before the up move. Okay, he broke a lot of structure. Also here we had liquidity and all that. Just beautiful. Tap into there, as you can see. After we push back up, okay, that's beautiful. Okay, I had my stop loss just below the swing low and all that. So yeah, actually, this is how it continued to go. So in a matter of what? Here we had like a little hiccup. I thought it like right now he's just gonna continue to just to reverse and just hit the stop loss, but he just went straight back up. Okay, beautiful. So this trade took me around what 4 hours. I never was sitting behind the chart at all. I was just basically doing my own thing throughout the day. As you see here, we also had a beautiful, okay, after we just zoomed out, beautiful triangular pattern. As you see, after we broke through the structure, just continued to go up. So that's how the trade moved like. Okay, I hope it makes sense. Just a little like case study. Also, like we just follow the trend. I could have like let this go on because on the higher time frame we just entered, we just came out of a daily demand area. So this has a lot of potential, but no, I just did not do that. Okay, I was happy with my like what 2%, 3% gain. So yeah, this is all what matters, all right? So let me know what your thoughts about this. Have a very for the rest of your day. Peace out, guys, and bye. Also, if you want to join the community, first link in the description down below. It's a free Discord.